Hey guys, I'm Richard Price with High Tech Battery, and today I'm here to talk to you about the quote request procedure that we use. So let's start off with a familiar scenario for you. You're mid-project. You have to get an item extremely quick. Your first supplier fell through. Now you're on your second and third because your first was unreliable. Your quote process is generic. You send in an email, you make a phone call, you talk to 2 or 3 different people at the same company, can't get an answer from any of them, and they don't get back to you for 3 or 4 days. Does that sound familiar? That's what we hear all the time from our customers. So I want to introduce High Tech Battery. We take care of the quoting process from start to finish. You tell us the part number you're looking for, you tell us exactly when you need it, and then we take it from there. Our team of specialists is dedicated to serving you, the customer, as fast as possible with the most accurate information that we possibly can, as quickly as we can. That's it in a nutshell. We have a simple 3-step process. Step 1, we need to hear from you first. You can request a quote right on the product page once you're looking at the item on our site. Let's say it's for a Deca HR 7500 ET. You pull that item up on our website, there's a giant button that says request a quote right there. You fill in where it's going, who it's being shipped to, your contact information so we can send a quote over to you, as well as any caveats. I don't have access to a loading dock. I don't have access to a forklift. This is a military base, limited access. We can make all of that work as long as we're aware of it. So throw any notes that you have in there and then send it on to us by hitting the Submit Quote Request button. If that's not your thing, if you don't want to go on the website and find the product, if you're not sure of what the product is, email us. That's what we're here for. Send those emails to sales@techbatterysolutions.com. A sales representative will respond to you, letting you know that we've received your inquiry and we're starting to work on it. If we need to follow up with you, it'll be in that first email to get all the information we need. Where it's going, what it is, or help you flesh out what it is that you're looking for if you're not sure. If it's a new build, or if you're replacing an existing system that's now defunct and no longer manufactured, we can find an alternative for you. Step 2 is we do the footwork. We'll reach out to the vendor if it's not something we stock. If it's something we stock, we turn it around like that. We get back to you with the lead time, the cost per battery, any potential savings for any high volume orders. We try and get as competitive as we can, so that way we can save you the most money and be as hassle-free as possible. In step 3, it's back in your hands. The quote's returned to you via email in a PDF format. Any spec sheets that are associated with the batteries are sent along, entirely for your review. A sales specialist typically follows up with you in about 24 hours with a phone call to make sure that you receive the quote. And then we email you subsequently through the next 2 to 3 weeks to touch base and see if there's anything that we can do to make your process smoother. Whether it's answer any questions on the technical side or the logistics. If you need to rework the quote, change the quantity, change the shipping location, all of that can be handled very quickly via email or by giving us a call. That's an entire overview of the quote system from start to finish. I emphasize that we are battery specialists. This is what we do. You're not reaching out to a general purpose store that just happens to have telecom batteries that you're interested in. This is our bread and butter. So give us a shot. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. You can request a quote via the link below, or you can go right to our website, find the product you're looking for, and hit the request a quote button and fill in all of your own details, or you can absolutely email us, sales@techbatterysolutions.com. I prefer we get something in writing, so that way I know exactly what you're looking for and we can start a correspondence between each other. That being said, you can also call us. Toll free 1-877-775-4381. And then we'll email you after our conversation. Thank you for watching today's videos, guys. If you have any questions, you can use any of those communication options to get in touch with us. You can leave a comment on this video. We are very responsive to those. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, show us some love. Hope to talk to you soon. Take care.